Hello, I'm Colleen Quinn from LabAroma. Thank you so much for joining me today for this recipe. Now what I want to show you how to make in this recipe video is a muscle relax massage oil. But before we jump into the three beautiful essential oils we're going to work with today, let's just discuss massage oils for a minute. Now massage oils can be your body oil, can also be your massage oil. It doesn't have to be one particular product that you leave on a shelf and you only bring to your therapist or when your partner gives you a massage. Self-massage is the greatest gift we can give ourselves, especially when we use essential oils, okay? Now, we have endless amounts of carrier oils we can use. I'm going to keep it really simple today and just use jojoba. So jojoba is a beautiful omega-3, 6 and 9 rich carrier oil, beautifully nourishing for the skin. But the reason I like it for a massage oil is because it gives us slip. So we don't want anything that penetrates the skin too quickly. We want to make sure we have slip so we can continue to massage our muscles. And in this case, it is muscles we're talking about. We want to relax muscles. It's not necessarily that you've overworked or you've exercised a lot one particular week. It's even just muscles from being tired from sitting on our seat all day in work, okay? So the aim of this blend is to relax our muscles. Now I've taken a 100ml dark glass bottle. I like to put all my aromatherapy products in dark glass to protect them from light and oxygen. So I've got about 99 mils in here and I am going to use 10 drops of essential oil. You can use more if you want. My strategy is always less is more. Our essential oils are incredibly active therapeutic plants. Those essences that we get out of the plant into our essential oils are so effective in low doses. We don't need massive amounts of them, okay? So let's jump into the essential oils. The first essential oil I'm going to work with is marjoram. And marjoram, like the herb, is sweet. This one's from Spain. My Spanish marjoram is probably my favorite marjoram. And I'm going to use 4 drops of it, okay? And I literally just add 4 drops into my massage oil, my carrier oil, which is jojoba. It smells beautiful. It's just like a very, very intense condensed version of the actual herb. It's beautiful. If you don't have marjoram, I really recommend you get it. It's particularly good for clearing your mind, cleansing your mind, but as well as muscular aches and muscular support. So then I'm going to go with Chamomile Roman and I'm going to use 4 drops of it also. The Chamomile Roman, I have to admit, is not my favourite aroma from an essential oil. I don't dislike it, I'm just not dying about it. However, between the marjoram and the peppermint in this blend, I don't get the chamomile aroma too strongly. And this is beautiful. Aromatically, it's lovely. If you want to swap this out, you can use chamomile German, okay? I'm using Roman today. Then I'm going to use 2 drops of peppermint. Peppermint is wonderful for restless leg syndrome. It's wonderful for tired muscles or when we need our muscles to unwind and relax. So that's why I use it here. So 4 drops of both marjoram and chamomile roman, and 2 drops of peppermint. That is my massage oil. I'm going to add my cap and I'm simply going to make sure that I give that a really nice stir to make sure that my essential oils incorporate into my carrier oil. And I apply this especially in the evenings after a long day of work when I want to just unwind. It's really nice after work before you set into your evening to take 5 minutes even to just massage your own calves. It's self-love and it's therapeutic and it's packed with essential oils. If you want something more powerful, maybe you're a runner or you exercise a lot, maybe you want something that's muscular supportive and muscular healing as opposed to relaxing, check out our other videos. I have lots and lots of videos with loads of different essential oils that will do different things for your muscles regardless of what you need on any given day. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss any of our videos again. And if you have any questions or you want to make any substitutions or you tried it, I'd love to hear how you experienced this recipe. Leave us a comment below and I can't wait to hear from you. Take care.